Think you know e-bikes? Think again. These 15 electric trikes and bikes are completely rewriting the rules in 2026. Stick around for number 1. It's an absolute beast. Let's ride. Number 15, the ESKUTE E-Trike electric bike. Kicking off our list at number 15, we have the ESKUTE E-Trike electric bike. If you're looking for the ultimate combination of stability and daily utility, this is it. It features a super accessible step-through frame, meaning you don't have to be an acrobat just to hop on. The real start here is the massive rear cargo basket. Whether you're hauling a week's worth of groceries, packing up for a sunny picnic at the park, or running everyday errands around the neighborhood, this trike has got your back. It offers a smooth, reliable motor that takes all the sweat out of pedaling, especially on those annoying hills. It's perfect for anyone wanting a stress-free, comfortable ride without worrying about balance. Ready to cruise in comfort? Check the link below to grab yours today. Number 14. The VIRIBUS Electric Tricycle. Coming in at number 14 is the VIRIBUS Electric Tricycle. For those of you who want premium features without completely emptying your wallet, VIRIBUS delivers big time. This trike boasts a seriously sturdy carbon steel frame that feels planted and secure on the road. You get a powerful motor and a long-lasting removable battery, making it incredibly easy to charge indoors. It's designed for the ultimate everyday rider. Imagine skipping the traffic, enjoying the fresh air, and having plenty of space in the front and rear baskets for your gear or your furry best friend. Whether you're commuting to work or just enjoying a weekend ride on the local trails, it brings back the pure joy of cycling, but with a massive power boost. Want to see the current price? Check the link below. Number 13. The MOONCOOL Electric Tricycle. At number 13, get ready for the MOONCOOL Electric Tricycle. This isn't your grandpa's trike. The MOONCOOL is built to conquer. Equipped with aggressive fat tires and a heavy-duty front suspension fork, this beast absorbs bumps like they aren't even there. Sand, snow, gravel, or broken city pavement, nothing is gonna stop your ride. It features a powerful motor that absolutely tears up hills, giving you total freedom to explore off the beaten path. If you love the outdoors, camping, or just live in an area with rough roads, the stability of 3 wheels combined with fat tire traction makes this an absolute game changer. Plus, the integrated cargo space means your gear comes with you. Ready to take your ride off-road? Check the link below for all the details. Number 12. The RC Lito Foldable 3. Hitting the list at number 12 is the RC Lito Foldable 3. Let's be real, space is a luxury for a lot of us. Whether you live in a cramped city apartment or you love traveling in an RV, traditional trikes can be a nightmare to store. That's where the RC Lito changes the game. It features an incredibly smart, space-saving foldable design. In just seconds, you can collapse this trike down to fit perfectly into your trunk or a tight corner. But don't let the compact size fool you. It still packs a punchy electric motor and a comfortable saddle for those longer commutes. It is the ultimate solution for urban riders who want the stability of 3 wheels without sacrificing precious storage space. Want to save space and ride in style? Check the link below. Number 11. The QRONGE Electric Tricycle. Taking the number 11 spot is the QRONGE Electric Tricycle. If maximum comfort and serious hauling capacity are your top priorities, you need to pay attention to this one. The QRONGE features a beautifully ergonomic design with a swept-back handlebar setup that keeps you in a relaxed, upright riding position. Say goodbye to back pain after a long ride. It comes loaded with a high-capacity battery that guarantees you won't be left stranded miles from home. The dual basket setup, front and back, makes it an absolute workhorse for farmers market runs, delivering packages, or carrying your beach gear. It's a smooth, effortless ride that truly replaces the need for short car trips, saving you money on gas while keeping you active. Upgrade your daily commute and check the link below to get yours. Number 10. The NARRAK Electric Tricycle for Adults. Breaking into the top 10, we have the NARRAK Electric Tricycle. This thing is an absolute powerhouse. We're talking about a jaw-dropping peak 1,350-watt motor. When you need to climb steep hills or haul heavy loads, this trike doesn't even break a sweat. It features aggressive fat tires and a high-end hydraulic differential, meaning it handles corners and uneven terrain with mind-blowing stability. Oh, and did I mention it folds? It's rare to find this much raw power and premium engineering in a folding frame. Whether you're a bigger rider needing that extra weight capacity or just someone who demands top-tier performance for both off-roading and city cruising, the NARRAK delivers on every single front. Ready to feel the true power? Check the link below. Number 9. The TST Electric Bike. At number 9, we're switching gears with the TST Electric Bike. If you want two-wheeled agility mixed with next-level electric power, this is a top contender. The TST features a sleek aerodynamic frame that looks just as fast as it rides. It boasts an ultra-responsive pedal assist system and a thumb throttle that gives you an instant burst of speed the second you need it. This e-bike is specifically designed for the modern commuter. It slices through heavy traffic city, making your morning ride to work faster, cheaper, and way more fun. Plus, the integrated bright LED headlight and tail light keep you safe during those early morning or late night rides. Say goodbye to gridlock and hello to the open road. To see the specs on this beauty, check the link below. Number 8, the Addmoto City Tri. Cruising into the number 8 spot is the Addmoto City Tri. Just as the name suggests, this electric tricycle is custom-built for conquering the concrete jungle. It features a unique narrow-track design that allows it to fit through tight bike lanes and crowded city streets where wider trikes might struggle. But it still offers that confidence-inspiring three-wheel stability we all love. It comes equipped with a whisper-quiet motor and a highly intuitive digital display that tracks your speed, battery life, and distance at a glance. For anyone living in a bustling metro area who wants a safe, eco-friendly way to zip to the coffee shop, the gym, or the office without dealing with parking nightmares, this is your perfect match. Don't miss out on this urban cruiser. Check the link below. Number 7. The Radio Flyer 4-in-1 Stroll and Trike. Coming in at number 7? Wait, hear me out. We can't talk about epic trikes without thinking about the future riders of America. It's the Radio Flyer 4-in-1 Stroll and Trike. If you're a parent, this is the ultimate hack for outdoor fun. This genius trike actually grows with your child, transforming through 4 different stages from a parent-push stroller to an independent toddler trike. It features high-density foam tires for a smooth ride, a protective UV canopy for those sunny afternoon walks, and a secure seatbelt for peace of mind. It's the perfect way to get your kids off the screens and into the fresh air, safely building their motor skills while you get your daily steps in. It's an absolute must-have for families. Grab one for your little rider. Check the link below. Number 6. The KAKIGO Electric Tricycle. At number 6, we have the KAKIGO Electric Tricycle. When it comes to everyday reliability, the KAKIGO is an absolute tank. It features a highly durable frame and a premium shock-absorbing seat that makes you feel like you're gliding on a cloud even on rough neighborhood streets. The standout feature here is the advanced battery management system, giving you incredible range on a single charge. You can literally ride for days without constantly checking the battery meter. It is incredibly useful for seniors or anyone with mobility issues who wants to regain their independence and explore their town safely. With plenty of storage for your daily hauls and an easy-to-use control panel, riding has never been this accessible. Ready to upgrade your daily routine? Check the link below. Number 5. The 3-score Electric Fat Trike. Breaking into the top 5, get ready for the 3-score Electric Fat Trike. If you want a trike that turns heads and commands respect on the road, this is it. The 3-score is rocking massive 4-inch fat tires that provide insane traction. We're talking effortless riding on beach sand, snowy trails, or muddy paths. It features a powerful, high-torque motor and a vibrant color LCD display that puts all your crucial ride data right in front of you. This trike is for the adventurous soul. It completely erases the limitations of standard bicycles, allowing you to carry heavy loads through environments most bikes wouldn't dare enter. It's rugged, it's wild, and it's insanely fun to ride. Ready to dominate any terrain? Check the link below to snag yours today. Number 4. The Luxevelo 500-watt Electric. Taking the number 4 spot is the Luxevelo 500-watt Electric Trike. If aesthetics and premium comfort are your vibe, you're gonna fall in love with this machine. The Luxevelo features a gorgeous, sleek design with hidden wiring that gives it a super clean, high-end look. Under the hood, it packs a buttery smooth 500-watt motor that perfectly balances battery efficiency with hill climbing power. It's the ultimate lifestyle vehicle. Imagine cruising down the boardwalk, pulling up to your local cafe, or just enjoying a sunset ride with absolute effortless grace. The oversized saddle and ergonomic grips mean you can ride for hours without any fatigue. It's luxury commuting at its absolute finest. Treat yourself to a premium ride. Check the link below for the latest price. Number 3. The EMOJO Bull. We are down to the top 3. At number 3, we have the EMOJO Bull. The name says it all. This thing is an absolute workhorse. The EMOJO Bull features a heavy-duty reinforced frame and a massive front and rear cargo capacity that rivals a small car trunk. Powered by a high-output motor, this trike is specifically engineered to carry serious weight without losing any performance. If you run a small business, deliver goods, or you're a hardcore hunter or fisherman needing to haul gear deep into the woods, the Bull is your ultimate companion. It features fat tires for all-terrain stability and hydraulic brakes for supreme stopping power even when fully loaded. Need a trike that works as hard as you do? Check the link below to get the EMOJO Bull. Number 2. The ZYCLE Z500 Electric Tricycle. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is the ZYCLE Z500 Electric Tricycle. This is the trike where cutting-edge technology meets ultimate comfort. The Z500 features a state-of-the-art pedal assist sensor that feels incredibly natural. It smoothly matches your pedaling effort so you never feel that sudden jerky acceleration. It also comes equipped with a high-capacity, long-range battery, making range anxiety a thing of the past. It's incredibly useful for long-distance commuters or anyone who loves to spend the whole weekend exploring bike trails. With its premium suspension system, every ride feels like a luxury cruise. It's fast, it's incredibly safe, and it's built to last for years to come. Don't wait on this one. Check the link below to see why riders love it. Number 1. The Ontrip Electric Tricycle. And finally, taking the crown at number 1, we have the Ontrip Electric Tricycle. This is the absolute peak of e-trike perfection for 2026. The Ontrip flawlessly combines every feature you could ever want: a whisper-quiet yet intensely powerful motor, ultra-responsive hydraulic disc brakes, and a stunning rust-resistant alloy frame. It features an extra-wide, heavily padded seat with a backrest, giving you literal armchair comfort while you cruise. Whether you want to ditch your car for daily commutes, haul massive loads of groceries, or just experience the sheer joy of riding with zero balance issues, the Ontrip does it better than anything else on the market. It is the ultimate investment in your mobility and freedom. You absolutely need to see this beast. Click the link below to get your Ontrip electric tricycle today. And that wraps up the 15 most incredible electric trikes and e-bikes of 2026. Which one are you taking for a spin? Let me know in the comments. If you're ready to upgrade your ride, I've linked all these absolute beasts in the description down below so you can snag the best deals today. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome gear, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep riding!